Hi everybody, Jean back after a short break. Hope you're all having an awesome day. We're having a look at a debris and wreckage field in Terra Cimmeria on Mars. The high-rise photograph we're checking out is called Terra Cimmeria Intracrater Barchan Dunes. And as usual, I'll include links to all the reference material below. Acquired on the 1st of March 2019 at a resolution of 25 centimeters per pixel, and we'll be checking out anomalies and artifacts are found in the JP2 black and white map projected file. And there's a crop from the low-res JPEG, and as I say, we're checking out the anomalies littering this area. Located 56.05 degrees south, 157.51 degrees east in this region over here. You can see the dune field over there. So the first anomaly we're checking out is right there, bottom center of the screen. This object measures about 6 by 5 meters, and the little protrusion on top is about 3 meters in diameter. Up close looks like this rounded block. Check out the rounded corners, and on top this donut shaped object right there in the center. This looks like some type of little craft, perhaps, maybe even a little structure with this little dome like feature on the top. Next one right there, this one's about 10 by 10 meters. And what's really strange about this is we have like a partial disc-shaped piece, and on top what looks like a curved layered part. Check out the geometry in this design, with a line going through there, and then this sort of square piece coming off to the one side. And then it looks like there's a little dome-like feature right there in the center of that piece. This geometry looks rather artificial. We've also got two smaller parts on either side. Check that out. And in this piece, it looks almost like a piece of wreckage or debris. Measures about 12 meters long by about 6 meters wide. And up close, check out the right angles on top. As I say, I can't make out whether this could be monolithic or maybe even metallic. This region of the photograph again shows major devastation and destruction. Pieces blown and spread out all over the place. Check out this disc-like object there, which has a diameter of about 12 meters. Check out the perfect arc to this piece. And then on top, some layered material. So what could this object be? Some type of piece of a structure or craft, some wreckage perhaps. Check out those two pieces there, measuring about 10 by 10 meters. Up close, what looks like a rectangular piece, and on top a semicircular part to it, with what looks like a narrow rectangular opening there. Could this be some type of underground ventilating system? Some type of wreckage perhaps, maybe even some type of machinery. Another one of these delta-shaped objects there, measuring about 5 meters in width and about 12 meters long. Zoom up close, we can see that L shape to it, parallel sides as well. Check out this strange artifact here on the side that looks like a little sphere or dome. Another rounded part over there. Looks like it has an oval opening over here. Here we've got a huge artifact as well, measuring about 12 by 14 meters. Up close, some layering over here, and got a straight line running through there, separating these two objects, and right there, close to the center, we've got this sort of oval-like piece to it as well. Don't know if it could be attached to this larger piece over here, so rather odd to see that. And then over here to the side, this looks like some type of opening with this curved piece sticking out. Do let me know what you guys and girls make of these in the comments below when you get a chance. I'll appreciate that. And then here we're looking at another one of these strange hexagonal disc-shaped objects. This one's about 12 meters across. And then that little protrusion on the top is about 2 meters across. Check that out. We've got 6 sides over here. And relatively smooth surface. And then that little dome-like feature right there. And then another one of these rectangular objects as featured in some of my previous videos if you've been watching. This one's about, let's see, 6 meters across and about 14 meters long. This looks like some type of wreckage perhaps. Check out the rounded part on this side. Right angles over here with this rectangular opening, and then this strange piece sticking out here. It looks almost like a wing. Yeah, this looks like some type of little structure or an outpost. This one's about 14 meters across. It's got what looks like a concave dish-shaped object on the side, which measures about 3 meters in diameter. And up close you can see this concave dish-like shape to it. Either side we've got 2 smaller parts, and then these what look like steps with a rectangular shape and right angles to it leading up to this rectangular, could be an opening over there. Could this be some type of little habitat or outpost? Then we're checking out that anomaly up there, more layered and interlocking pieces. Check out the right angle over here, straight edge running through there, comes over this rounded part sticking out of this opening, and then a slot cut into it parallel to that side. Like a partial rounded shape sticking out of that part over there. I don't know what this could be. See if there's some intelligent design behind that perhaps. This looks like wreckage. This piece is about 15 to 20 meters across. Up close, with straight edges, and then along the top this ridge line running through there, and then on this one side here it looks like could be attached to this larger piece coming off at that angle over there. Looks like some type of wreckage. Looks very similar to another anomaly I featured in a previous video, where I referred to this as the, in quotation marks, Millennium Falcon, or Baltic Sea anomaly. I've tilted the image so that it lines up in the same direction as that artifact. This one here has got a rounded side to it, whereas this one's more sort of a hexagonal shape to it, perhaps, partially buried. Also very similar in size. Just thought I'd show that very interesting design. Now we're checking out these anomalies. This one over here with that rounded protrusion on the top measures about 12 meters across. A straight side running through there, and then almost parallel to it we've got a little ridge line running through there as well. And then what looks like a metal plate sticking out there. Now we're looking at this rectangular anomaly, measuring about 12 meters across, and then it's got this little diamond shape on the top, rounded part on this side here, straight edges with a right angle there. As I say, check out the devastation in this area. Here we've got a circular part, and that's about 15 meters across. To the left we've got this rounded part. It's almost as if it could have been part of this, and the two parts separated. And then this, could that be some type of symbolism, some glyphs? Could this be some fossilized remnants of some type of life form? Briefly in the news, 5 days ago, this article published to space.com. To quote, "There is definitely methane on Mars," scientists say, "but is it a sign of life?" And it goes on to say these finds have intrigued astrobiologists because methane is a possible biosignature, though the gas can be produced by a variety of geological processes. The vast majority of methane in Earth's air is pumped out by microbes and other living creatures. So this region where they detected the methane is situated 500 kilometers east of Gale, and we'll be checking out that in Google Earth Mars as well. So let's check out Gale Crater first, where they detected the methane through Curiosity rover as well as the Mars Express orbiter, and it's 500 kilometers east in this region called So let's hop over to Gale Crater, where we have the Curiosity rover and close by the InSight lander. So 500 kilometers to the east of Gale, we have Aeolus Dorsa, and they speculate the large methane concentration originated in this region. And if we look up there, we've got the InSight lander huge megalithic blocks and what looked like fossilized horseshoe crabs and other life forms potentially. So could this methane that was released indicate that there's something else besides a dead planet in this region? NASA's definitely interested in it, landing InSight lander there and having Curiosity rover over here. Down to the southern hemisphere where we're going to check out the anomalies as described in the video. Terra Cimmeria, Intracrater, Barchan dune changes. And in summary, there are some of the anomalies we checked out. More of these megalithic slabs or metal plates. Check out that piece there. Looks like some type of wreckage perhaps. There we've got a hexagonal piece. Check out that structure. It's got like a hole on the one side here. So it looks like there's a rectangular opening there in that piece. It's like a metal plate. It appears we have pieces of megalithic blocks and slabs from structures, and we've got wrecked machinery and wreckage. Check out that hole over there. Got a relatively smooth circular depression over here with the small dune field over there. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your support, your comments and thumbs up. We're seeing the remnants of some type of war that took place in the distant past. So yeah, with that said, thanks for watching. I'll be back with more. Bye bye for now.